Hi, today in this video, I'm going to tell you why the business visibility is becoming the number one priority of the founders. Hi, this is Inky Khan, your CRM expert and MSME business coach. We basically conduct a business growth workshop for business owners and entrepreneurs and why it is necessary for them to understand the real problems and the opportunity of their business. So, why is it is so much important for them? Because in today's fast moving business environment, visibility has become more important than the efforts. In earlier, like in 1950s, the business owners focused on mainly increasing the sales and managing the operation manually. But now the challenge is not just doing the work, it's understanding what is inside in the business in the real time. Business visibility means having a clear picture of your revenue, okay, your expenses, your pending payments, your team performance, and your operational flow all in one place. Without this, the decision making becomes a slow and inaccurate. Many businesses lost the opportunity simply because they cannot even see the complete picture of their business. This is why the modern businesses are adapting the technology like system, strategy, and model. These systems, strategy, and models provide the real time insights and follow the founders to monitor their business from the single interface instead of checking multiple files or a multiple person or asking different team members. Everything is visible instantly. So another important aspect is the risk control. More visibility is low, problems go unnoticed until they become serious. But with the proper system, strategy, and the business model, issues like cash flow gapping, delayed payment, or rising costs can be identified earlier. Industries like manufacturing, construction, retails rapidly moving towards such a structured system because they reduce uncertainty and improve efficiency. The shift is clear. Earlier, the hard ones were there. Now, they can see the clear pictures. Visibility is the foundation of the control, and the control is the foundation of growth. This is what we conduct a business growth workshop for the business owner where they can see the clear picture of their business and they can have the control and the clarity over their business. For knowing more about the business growth workshop, please let me know in the comment box. That's a growth. And I would like to share you the link about the business growth workshop which is happened on Saturday from 10 a.m. to 12 p.m. live. And I will see you next time. Bye bye.